Hey y'all, old Pig Daddy here, and today I got something I want to show you. Y'all ready? Look here, son. What we got here is a high-tech piece of equipment. Now this equipment is very important to having a happy life. Look here, folks. Got my water right there. Fill my cup up. All right. Put that back down. Got my little French nailer. And hit the button. And here we go, son. Now this thing is a Keurig machine, but it don't have the name Keurig on it. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? Whee! Now this brand is a mainstay brand. It does the same thing as one of them high-priced Keurig machines. Now you can get this at your local Walmart for $29.99, son. And I'm telling you, this will make your life a lot happier. Listen to her. Listen to her, son. Ha-ha! She getting on it. But yeah, this little thing right here amazes me. I could watch this thing make coffee all day, every day. It just amazes me how it makes coffee so quick, heats the water up so quick, and boom, fresh cup of coffee. It's awesome, son. She's heating up. She's heating up, son. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? It sounds like it's boiling. Listen. Huh? Ain't that crazy? Just that quick. How does it do it? That's amazing. Just that quick. Uh-oh. I heard something. Woo-wee! There you go. It's on like Donkey Kong, son. Look at that. Fresh, hot cup of coffee. Bam! Oh, y'all should smell it. Oh, man. Y'all gotta smell it. I wish I could push a button and let y'all be able to smell this thing. Woo-wee, son! Check her out. Oh yeah, it's almost done. Almost done. Oh yeah, it's on. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Let's try this. Let's try it out. Oh, man. Y'all remember it out there. Nobody loves you. This fat boy loves you.